In this question, we have to find the integration of tan square x. And we already know what is the integration of sec square x dx, that is equal to tan x. Now, tan square x, it is difficult to find. So what you will do, you will use the formula that is given as sec square x minus of tan square x, that is equal to 1. So we can write the value of tan square x, that is equal to sec square x minus of 1. So everything will turns out to be sec square x minus of 1 into dx, and that will be equal to tan x minus of x plus of c. So this is the answer that you will get. Similarly, if I want to find the value of integration of cot square x dx, so you will write it into the form of cosec square x minus of cot square x, that is equal to 1. So you will get the value as cot square x, that is equal to cosec square x minus of 1, and from here you will get the same value. So here you will write cosec square x minus of 1, and here you will write dx. Okay, use the same formula and you will get the answer of these two questions.